Alright, so I don't know if you guys have seen these things before, but just beautiful little birds, pretty friendly. And I have a whole bunch of them here hanging out. Not only do I, but I think Joe has a few of his own friends here.
There they go.
Man, look at all these. Pretty incredible. These guys don't even want to eat, they just want to come say hi. Holy. Little guy. I did have one on my shoulder here a second ago, but I think he is gone. Oop, I just had one fly over my head.
There you go.
And there's Joe's got a few. There we go. Just real docile little guys. There's one. Matter of fact, there he is, right there. They're coming in numbers. Cool looking things. I guess they're called Budgies, B-U-D-G-E-E, and there are a ton of them here. Matter of fact, you got to be careful because what happens is a little feed from this falls off and goes on the ground, and they are all over your feet too. Did you take all the good stuff off there, buddy, or you want some more? Real docile little guys.
Are these two fighting with each other?
And they want the stick. There's 2 sticks there, fellas.
There's 2 there.
One for each of you.
There you go. Oh, you don't have to get so upset.
See, look at them all.
You
See what I mean? You got to be real careful. You look where you step down here, because they are everywhere. Matter of fact, I just picked up a few, and I actually have. If I can put this down for 1 second, watch this. I'm gonna go like this, pull one out, and come on, buddies. There we go. We just picked up a couple more.
There they go.
How you guys doing? Look at them all. Ooh, easy. There's enough for everybody. Fight nice. It's like Alabama Auburn over here.